Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual car fuel efficiently. To begin, smooth driving is key. Avoid sudden acceleration or harsh braking, as these actions waste fuel. Instead, aim for gentle inputs on the accelerator and brake pedals. By maintaining a steady pace and anticipating traffic flow, you can significantly reduce your fuel consumption. Think of it as a dance between your feet and the road, always aiming for grace and efficiency. Mastering your gear changes is crucial for saving fuel. Aim to shift into a higher gear as early as possible, typically between 2,000 and 2,500 revolutions per minute, without letting the engine struggle. This keeps the engine operating at lower, more efficient revolutions. When slowing down, consider engine braking by gradually downshifting. This technique saves your brakes and uses zero fuel during deceleration, making it a smart choice. Anticipation is your best friend for fuel-efficient driving. By looking far ahead, you can foresee upcoming traffic lights, turns, and changes in road conditions. This allows you to ease off the accelerator earlier, letting your car coast rather than braking suddenly. Maintaining a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds also gives you more time to react smoothly. Remember, every time you brake, you're essentially wasting the energy you just used to accelerate. Finally, your vehicle's condition and your daily habits play a significant role. Always ensure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, often found on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel economy by up to 3%. Regular maintenance, like clean air filters and fresh oil, keeps your engine running optimally. Also, remove any unnecessary weight from your trunk. Every extra 100 pounds can decrease efficiency by 1%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.